Today's question is, how long does it take hair to grow? So when we're undergoing a hair treatment process, remember that hair grows at 1.25 centimeters a month. So the answer is, it takes a long time. Hair takes a long time to grow. So please be patient and remember that you won't see results for probably 3 to 6 months and the final effect won't be seen until 12 months. I know it's a long time, but the problem didn't happen overnight and it's not going to get solved overnight. So just remember that whenever you're undergoing treatment. Generally when hair has problems, it will stay in a resting phase for a little bit longer, so that's why sometimes we don't always see the growth. Sometimes people will drop a process or a protocol a couple of months into it because they get discouraged. But I urge you, do not give up. Do not give up, people. And sticking with a protocol for at least 6 months is really recommended. Talk with the professional that you're working with, make sure that your expectations are reasonable, and stick with the program.